Hey guys, that's a mentor, the creation of NAS, Faith, Nasdaq. Okay guys, thank you guys for tuning this video guys. Can you please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified once I upload again guys. So guys, we back guys with another video guys. As you guys can see, this is not NAS100, so it's gonna be a market breakdown for NAS100 and US30. So let's jump to the video guys. Let's see what's happening on NAS100 guys, which is Nasdaq. So yeah man, so remember guys, when we first analyze, like when we analyze, we start with our own new time frame, see, so that we can see the structure of what's gonna happen during the week. So let's see, this is our own new time frame. As you guys can see, this is our own new time frame. Just have to like unzoom to see the bigger picture of the market. So remember guys, what you need to do, you need to obviously highlight your highest point here. As you guys can see, at the certain point here, there's our current highest point here. Then after that, you need to obviously highlight your current lowest point. Our current lowest point is this point here, of which the reason why we call it our current one, because obviously there's still lows below this low. See, so that is why this one becomes our current lowest point. So it's the one that we need to actually focus on. So remember guys, you need to focus inside the highest point and the current lowest point. So we just need to like obviously zoom in and let me adjust this thing here. Yeah, so from there you need to obviously cater places when the market reaches the market reverses, of which you call them zones. Remember, only inside what your highest point and your current lowest point. See, you need to cater those places, of which you call them zones. Remember guys, zones are strong when you highlight them on the bigger time frame, of which you tend to understand that when the market reaches this certain point, the market is gonna reverse. See, so as you guys can see, those are the places, man. So from there, even here at this current market price, currently here, let me show you guys, there's a zone, because as you guys can see, when the market is when the market was here, the market the market was failing to pass. See, here it broke and decided to come back and retest to the upside. Here it broke, decided to come back. So let's just switch to 1 day time frame and see what's happening in the 1 day time frame. So on our 1 day time frame guys, remember guys, now what we need to do guys, we need to like obviously focus on our trend. See, so on this one guys, currently here we're having a downtrend here. We need to highlight this downtrend here. See, so this downtrend, this is how it goes. Ne? Remember, it needs to go with the touches. As you guys can see, let me show you. As you guys can see, on this downtrend, this is our diagonal, the one that I just put, this line, this trend line here. This is our diagonal resistance, and this one has to be our diagonal support here. See, then from there, remember, like it needs to go with the touches. Yeah, I think it's gonna be perfect. Yeah, then from there we get to understand that, remember guys, what's happening here currently, there's something that we call a 90% rule. So that's how it works, ne? So as you guys can see, there's a downtrend here, ne? As you guys can see, there's a downtrend here. Sorry, let me just show you properly. There's a downtrend here, ne? So on this downtrend, the market decided to like break here. See here, the market break and decided to like give us a what, a retest here. So our 90% level is at this point here where this downtrend started. So the market has a 90% chances of it coming to the certain point here, to where this downtrend started. So this certain point is about 90% rule. So the market has to like finish its 90% rule. So here our buyers are very strong here, because like the market has to complete its 90% rule. So from 1 day time frame, we move to 4 hour time frame. So on our 4 hour time frame guys, as you guys can see currently what's happening here, the market already broken this certain zone here. So that is why I'm saying we must look out for buying opportunities to complete this 90% rule here. See, so here I'm just gonna adjust this point. Let me adjust it. Let me adjust it so that it can be proper. So you guys can see that the market already broken this certain point here. See, so guys, currently at the current market price, buys are very strong. You just need to check your buys to the certain points. I mean, certain point. See, so yeah, from there we just have to like at least move to 1 hour time frame. Remember, from 4 hour time frame we move to 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame is gonna be our last time frame where we enter our trades. See, so here just have to again identify the certain point to confirm that this certain point is a very strong point. So remember, at the current market price, we need to check your buys to the upside. You need to check your buys to the 90% rule. See, from at the current market price to here. So that's where the market is going. So this one is going to be the direction of NAS100. Buys are very strong, taking buys to the upside. See, so I hope this one is perfect, guys. I hope you did understood this one. So yeah, guys. So now let's jump to US30, guys. Let's see what's happening on the US30. Let's go for US30, guys. Let's see. Yeah, guys. This is US30. So remember, guys, when you analyze, we start with our own time frame. When we time frame, first thing that you need to do, guys, then reset chart view. Then obviously when like you need to obviously have like a good structure. So from here you need to obviously highlight your highest point, which has to be the certain point here. See, then obviously you need to come to your current lowest point. This is our current lowest point here. See, then from there obviously you get to understand that we need to focus inside our current highest point and current lowest point. We need to cater places when the market reaches the market reverses, of which you call them zones, guys. So as you guys can see, at this certain point here there's a zone, and again here there's a zone, and again here there's a zone where the market have been rejecting, guys. That's where you put this horizontal ray line. See, so from there at the certain point here, I think there's a zone here, because you're gonna see it perfectly when I switch to lower time frame. So from there, let's just move to 1 day time frame so we can see what's happening in the 1 week time frame. Then obviously here you need to again identify your trend, guys. As you guys can see here, the previous trend here, this was a downtrend here. So let's just identify it. So remember, guys, you need to go with the tertiaries, man. So what's happening here is that on this down on this trend line there, so we're having a first touch here, and we had like a second touch here, so we don't have third touch here. So expect the market to be pushing to the downside once it actually reaches to the certain point. Remember the third touch rule, guys. Third touch rule, guys. Obviously you need to understand that you need to take your entry at your third touch rule, guys. So as you guys can see, at the certain point here, you may identify the certain point. It's a zone, remember, so just identify it. So let's just move to what? Okay, let me just okay, let's move to 4 hour time frame so we can see the structure of what's happening under 4 hour time frame. As you guys can see here, we don't see anything, but here currently we get to understand that the 90% of this one needs to be completed. Let me show you guys. Remember here we had a downtrend. We had a downtrend. I'm gonna show you guys the downtrend that I'm actually talking about here. That the market already like broken. See, here we had a downtrend. This downtrend here. see this downtrend here. Okay, let me just put it properly. I think it's gonna be perfect if I put it like this. Let me remove this to here. Yeah, so the 90% of this downtrend here, the market has to complete this 90% here. See, so on this journey that you see here, this uptrend that you see here, the market has to complete it's 90%. Remember how the 90% rule works, né? So this is a downtrend. So the market decided to break here and came back here for the retest. So those who took buys here, they actually coming to this 90%. See, so for now, let me just I'm not saying this trend line is not it's not here, but let me just remove it for now because I think it's the one that actually made the market to be like confusing. But as you guys can see here, the 90% rule of this downtrend needs to be completed to the certain point here. So the market is actually the market has to actually tap here for the 90% to be completed. Yeah. So for us to look out for entries, let me just identify this certain point here, because this certain point here tends to be like a strong point that can actually make the market to make a bigger movement. As you guys can see here, the market broke here and decided to come back for a retest here. See here. So currently where the current market is, remember here we're looking out for buying opportunities to this 90% level here. See, so currently we just have to move to 1 hour time frame so we can see whether the market already broken this certain point here. But we can see that the market already broken this certain zone here. So currently there's a retest. Remember, there has to be a breakout and a retest. So currently what's happening here, there's a retest here. So currently on this retest here, we're looking out for buys to this certain 90% and set your stop loss perfectly here. See, so then there's no way you're coming to the certain point here. See at this certain point here, we are coming to the certain point, fill our 90%. So currently again on USDT, we're looking out for buying opportunities to that certain point. See, so yeah guys, I hope on this one again guys you did understood this one. Yeah, meet you guys on another video guys. Thank you guys for watching this video guys. Can you please like, subscribe to the channel so I can get notified once I upload again guys. So again, for recommended broker guys, make sure you yeah guys, I'm trading with Space Market, so make sure you go click that link on the description guys. So yeah, meet you guys on another video guys. Thank you guys for watching this one. I'm signing out. Thank you.